Best light direction for taking cool photos of men. In this video, I will explain the difference of the direction of light when using a large round softbox during a men's photo shoot. This time, I'm using a softbox called Vortex Raja 150. For the background, I'm using white background paper. Our subject will be standing about 3 meter distance from the background. We'll start by photographing directly from the front. The subject is about 4 meters from the light. The light from the front doesn't have a three-dimensional effect, and it looks like an ID photo. Even if the light is big and white, it looks hard light. This time, we try diagonally directing the light. The subject is about 2 meters from the light. The light is softer than before, and the light from the side creates a bit of shadow on the right, making it appear more three-dimensional. I want to make it even more three-dimensional, so I'll direct the light from a 45-degree angle. We also move closer to the subject at about 1.5 meters. It's more three-dimensional than before. The light is soft, the background is a bit darker, and it's a nice photo. However, we want the subject to look more masculine and cooler, so we'll bring the light to the side. First, we try photographing from 1 meter away from the subject. The background is darker. There is contrast and the image is very cool. Next, we apply the softbox from above. We use a boom stand and turn the light sideways to light from above. The balance is bad, so be careful that it doesn't fall over. We get as close as we can. The man looks cool even with light from above. Try changing the direction of light to match your goals and how you'd like to photograph.